Hello, everyone. Imagine yourself walking down a dark, empty road at night. Suddenly, and without any warning, you see glowing eyes staring at you from the darkness. Before your heart even has a chance to stop from the shock, those glowing eyes calmly start moving closer to you. And then, in the middle of your amazement, you hear a soft meow. Welcome to Radiant Wisdom. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our inspiring videos and fresh ideas. During the day, especially in the afternoon, cats are usually calm and relaxed. But when night falls, they seem to transform into completely different creatures. Their eyes glow brightly in the dark, and they may stare at you silently in a way that's both mesmerizing and a little eerie, making you feel like you should politely excuse yourself. This transformation is perfectly natural for cats because, by nature, they are nocturnal animals. Unlike other creatures such as elephants, giraffes, and many birds that are most active during the daytime, cats are built for the night. God gifted cats with special abilities that help them thrive in darkness. And one of the most important features is the unique structure of their eyes. The structure of a cat's eye is slightly different from that of many other animals. It's designed to suit their hunting instincts, which mainly occur at night and require operating in low or almost no light. The glowing eyes you see at night act like small, limited-range flashlights, allowing cats to navigate and hunt effectively, even when their prey can hardly see them. Here's how it works. Normally, vision happens when light hits an object, reflects off of it, and enters the eye. Inside the eye, there are light-sensitive cells that capture this light and send information to the brain. However, at night, the available light might be so weak that it doesn't even reach these light-sensitive cells. That's why most creatures struggle to see in the dark. Cats, however, have a secret weapon, a special reflective layer located behind the retina called the tapetum lucidum. This layer acts like a mirror made up of zinc and riboflavin crystals. It reflects the faint light back through the retina, giving the light-sensitive cells a second chance to capture it. Imagine it like this. When low light enters a cat's eye but fails to activate the receptors, the tapetum lucidum steps in and says, "Hold on, let me help you." It collects the scattered light, focuses it, and bounces it back to the receptors, making it much easier for cats to see in the dark. This reflecting process is exactly what causes their eyes to appear to glow when you see them from a distance. You might have noticed that not all cats' eyes shine the same way. Some cats' eyes appear shinier than others, and the color of the glow can vary too, from pale yellow to reddish tones. Several factors influence this. Age. As cats get older, their vision weakens, and their eye glow becomes less bright and vivid compared to when they were young. Metal content. The amount of zinc and riboflavin in the tapetum lucidum affects the intensity and color of the glow. Breed. Most cats have eyes that glow greenish shades. Siamese cats often have a yellowish glow. White cats with blue eyes typically show a red glow in the dark. Now you might wonder, since cats' eyes glow so impressively at night, do they have the sharpest vision in the animal kingdom? Actually, no, not even close. Cats excel in low light conditions, but they don't have the sharpest vision overall. Birds of prey like eagles, falcons, and hawks have some of the sharpest eyesight in the animal kingdom. For example, an eagle, despite being a relatively small bird, has eyes almost the size of human eyes and can spot a rabbit from more than 3 kilometers, almost 2 miles away. In comparison, a cat's vision range is quite short. If a human can clearly see an object from 30 meters away, a cat would need to get within just 6 meters to see it equally clearly. You might say, wait a minute, eagles, falcons, and humans are daytime creatures. Isn't it unfair to compare them to cats, who are nocturnal? And you'd be absolutely right. However, even among nocturnal animals, cats don't top the list for best night vision. For example, owls are absolute masters of night vision. Owls have large, forward-facing eyes that allow them to gather the faintest traces of light. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, giving them an extraordinary field of vision. If we compare the night vision abilities of cats and owls, owls would easily dominate every time. Cats aren't the only creatures with glowing eyes. Interestingly, glowing eyes at night aren't exclusive to cats. Many wild animals also possess this feature, although it's more strongly associated with cats because they live closer to us. Other creatures with glowing eyes include lions, dogs, bears, foxes, wolves, cattle, deer, and even many bird species like owls. And it doesn't stop there. Marine creatures like crocodiles and sharks also have reflective eyes that glow underwater at night, an essential adaptation for surviving in the deep, dark oceans. And that's it for today. If you made it all the way to the end, you're truly awesome. Show us some love by hitting the like button. It helps us see how many amazing viewers stayed with us until the very end. Thank you for being part of the Radiant Wisdom community. See you in the next video.